So real quick, here's how you add 3/16 and 5/16. So the way to think about this is if you are measuring something and you have 1/16, so there's 16 blocks, each one is 1/16. If I have 3 out of 16, all I need to do is fill these in. There's 1, 2, 3, that's 3/16. And if I'm adding 5/16 more, 5 more of these blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's my answer there. 3 plus 5, that's going to give us that 8. And then we have the 16, that doesn't change. There's still 16 blocks. So 8/16, and 8/16, that's the same as 1/2. 8 divided by 8 is 1, 16 divided by 8 is 2. So in answer to our question, 3/16 plus 5/16 would give you 8/16, but you can see 8/16, that's just 1/2. That's it. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.